What's going on, guys? It's Sean with Cat 5 Cards. All right, I just did the video of selecting the winners for the giveaway. So I'm gonna knock out this video real quick, open these packs up, see what you guys won, and then I'll post them up, get your contact info, and send it out. So yeah, with that being said, Joseph Duston won the mystery booster pack, and Lady of Bloodbath won the Ikoria, 3 Ikoria packs. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. I'm glad everybody commented on it. I'm glad you guys won. It was fun. I hope to do more of it. I hope we get more comments, more subscribers, more likes, more everything, man. I'm gonna keep pumping out the videos. Like I said in the other one, I haven't posted in 3 or 4 days, and that's the longest I think I've gone yet. Sorry if my microphone's making a little noise. It keeps rubbing against my shirt funny. So I apologize for that if it's making noise in the video. But yeah, back to what I was saying. Yeah, this is the longest I've gone without posting so far. So I think it's been like 4 or 5 days. But I left these videos up for, I think it was 7 or 8 days. So it was pretty cool. We got a few comments. That was nice, man. I appreciate it. We'll get into it. We'll do the Ikoria packs first. See what you got. One of those. Tranquil Cove. Windscarred Crag. Draneth Magistrate. Crystal. Cunning Nightbonder. Auspicious Sterix. It always makes me think of Ace Ventura. Thwart the Enemy. It's quite an inauspicious dwelling for a filthy flying weasel. Ace Ventura reference. Draneth Healer. Ferocious Tigerilla. Boot Nipper. Dead Weight. Rumbling Rock Slide. Alright, so that was your foil. Oops. Let's see if we can get a little better second pack here. Human Soldier token. Jungle Hollow. There we go. That's a good card right there. That's a sweet card. Sleeve that one up for you. Zagoth Crystal. That's a pretty good card too, I think. I can't remember. I think it's a pretty decent card though. Thundermane. One of those crazy comic book looking art cards. The Honey Mammoth. Unexpected Fangs. Flycatcher. Anticipate. Solid Footing. Blitz Leech. Migratory Greathorn. Cathartic Reunion. Scorpion. Alright, that was a pretty sweet pack. The old Sky Nomad, that's a pretty good card. Alright, last pack. See if we can get a Triome. Human Token. Forest. Sea Dasher Octopus. Stampede. Another Auspicious Sterix. Necropanther. Fully Grown. Suffocating Fumes. Honey Mammoth. Startling Development. Healer. Hampering Snare. Cavern Whisper. Flying Tiger action. Pyroceratops. And a little Serrated Scorpion. Alright, so Joseph Duston. No. Lady of Bloodbath. Shoot. I can't remember who won which, but I got it written down over there. But whoever won these 3 packs got some pretty cool cards out of it. The Nomad was definitely, I think, the hit of those 3 packs for sure. It's a sweet card right there. While I'm thinking about it, let me sleeve this puppy up for you real quick. There we go. Cool. All right, let's do the mystery booster pack. You can see the little star I made on it that night when I opened it up. And then here's the 1, 2, 3 I put on those. So these are the packs I pulled out of those boxes. Get this trash out of the way. All right, boom, let's see what we got. Feet of Resistance, Wild Griffin, Slitherblade, Exclude, Ruin Mark, Hound of the Fair Bogs, Blind Blast, Dual Shot, Roar of the Worm, Dissenter's Deliverance, Pollen Bright Wings, Field of Ruin, Soothsaying, Two-Headed Giant, One with Nothing. That's a pretty cool looking card. Alright, there you go. Two-Headed Giant, One with Nothing. That's it. That's the mystery booster pack. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. All right, winners. I'll be getting in touch with you. Definitely, I appreciate it. Once again, thank you very much. There's all the cards. I've got another somewhere around here hidden. Boom, boom, boom. We'll open this up. Maybe after this video, I'll upload the winners of this and the comment picking video and the winner opening video, and then I'll start working on this one. We'll get this one opened up and see what's in it. Hopefully we got some sweet cards. All right, fellas, that's it. Thank you very much. I appreciate everyone that commented, everybody that watched the videos, everyone that subscribed, liked, all that nonsense. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. I'm out.